so much for watching my video, guys. And this video still Kurdish music reaction from Kurdish music. So this song from Romi, Harki and Taha Qadir-Hawre, yeah. And this song from your comment show. Thank you so much. You give me more song from Kurdish. I'm very happy. Thank you so much. Okay. So how this song? I never hear this song. This first I hear this song. So let's start watching how this song Kurdish music, yeah. I'm very enjoy hear song from Kurdish. I'm not fake say I like Kurdish music. I like. If I not like and if I'm fake, I not make video reaction to Kurdish music. I have haters from Kurdish too. I don't know why he is not like me, yeah. He say I'm fake. I don't know why he say like that. I have a hater so sad, yeah, from Kurdish. Oh my god. But thank you so much you want to watch my video, my haters, yeah. Thank you so much. You comment my video. Thank you so much too. And I don't care you not like. I have Kurdish people like me, so I don't worry for that. You not like me, I'm don't worry. So this Romi Harki, guys. For fans Romi, Harki and Taha, comment, ya. Wow. Oh, I so like very like. Oh. Ya Allah, they are have voice good, yeah. Wow. Amazing, Taha and Romi. Wow, Masya Allah, very like. So handsome. So beautiful Kurdish girl, Kurdish, yeah. Wow, amazing. Ya Allah. Wow, Taha. Wow. Wedding Kurdish. Romi, Harki, and Taha, Qadir, so handsome. I like this song, mashallah. Hawre, ya. This make me like Kurdish music. I'm very like, ya Allah, mashallah. So guys, thank you so much for your attention and want you watching my video. And don't forget you give me song from Kurdish like this, ya. This very make me like, yeah, this I really like with this song. Mashallah, I like, very like. So thank you so much, keep watching my video Kurdish. Assalamualaikum.